Hello children, welcome to your English class. Children, now we are going to start our text, your literature reader. But before that, before starting with chapter 1, I want you to introduce you all with your book. So today, I'll give a brief description, the book introduction to all of you. See children, this is your book. This is revised edition of New Pathways. Yes, an interactive course in English. I hopefully think that you all have purchased your book, but still if you have not, please get your book as soon as possible. Then only it will be more clear and convenient for you all to understand the videos and understand all the concepts. Now children, see, this is your book. When you open it, the first page, here it's written Gayatri Khanna. This book is by Ma'am Gayatri Khanna. And on page number 3, a brief description of about the authors are given. A number of authors. If you have your book, please open page number 3 of your book. See, Devjani Rudra, Ma'am Gayatri Khanna, Ma'am Mala Pilani, Ma'am Malti Krishnan, and so on. A brief description of about the authors of this book is given here. Now on the same page, children, a very important thing which I want you all to pay your attention is, see the downside of page number 3. Here it's written key to the icons in New Pathways. Yes, if you have the books you can see, and those who do not have the books, I have drawn these 4 icons on the whiteboard, so you can see here also. Children, these 4 icons are very important for you to understand, because very often you will find these 4 icons in your book somewhere. So you should know the meaning of that icons. Now see the first one. See the first icon. It's like a speaker icon, like a headphone. Yes? And it's written audio in Oxford Educate and the additional digital resources. So simply you can understand, wherever you can see this icon near to any text, it means the audio, the voiceover of that text is available. Okay children, you can listen that text, the audio is available. Now second one is, see, in your book you can see a red square, inside a play button. Yes, it's almost similar to the YouTube button. Fine, you all have used this video also, you are seeing right now on YouTube. So it is almost similar to the YouTube button, and it's written, it's for Oxford Arial. See here, I have made it here also for Oxford Arial animation. It means whatever animations are available near to that text, that button, that icon is given in your book. So simply you can understand this icon is for the video button. Fine? Video. Now the third one, inside a circle, it's written VB. VB is value based questions. Yes children? Now there are a number of questions: factual questions, inferential questions, evaluative questions, conceptual questions, value based questions. Value based question, children, near to the question, if it's written VB inside a circle, it means that question is value based. Now what is a value based question? Children, value based questions are actually very simple and yet a little tricky. It means the question has been asked to check your level of understanding of that particular topic. Okay, what you get, yes, what you have understood by reading or by listening, okay, according to you, you have to write down the answer. Fine, so that are the value based questions. And now a new icon is there. See this one in your book also, in a light blue circle. Yes, you can see here it's written art integrated and experiential learning. Art integrated. Now in this book, this is the revised new pathways. Here children, after every unit, one art corner is there. Yes, one art corner is there. There you can show your creativity. Yes, so there you can find that icon. Okay, I'll show you in the book right now. So these are the 4 icons, children. You should know the meaning of that icons very well. Now moving on. See, page number 4. This one. Page number 4. Key features of new pathways. In this book, okay, what all things, what all texts, what all topics are given. Fine. So here stories and poems are given. Yes, both classic and contemporary. Now one new term, contemporary, children. Classic and contemporary. I am going to write it. Okay, here I can write classic and contemporary. And so it's given a variety of classic and contemporary texts are given in this revised edition of New Pathways. What does it mean? Now, first of all, understand the term classic. Classic English text means the historical texts, the ancient text. We can say the exemplary texts, which gives you moral values, which have been taken from any sacred book. You can say Bible or from Ramayana, or like that's not compulsory, but that texts were written before 19th century. So that are the classic texts. And contemporary texts you can better understand as the text which reflects the modern situation. Yes, the current social and political issues of our society. Yes, so that are the contemporary texts. So this book, Your New Pathways, is a collection of classic and contemporary texts. Now, second is fun layout and design to make the teaching learning experience enjoyable. You can find out just like I have explained you, the art integrated learning, the art corner, fine. Then the starter activities, then digital resources including audio, animations, videos and interactive exercises. Where you can find that? In the Oxford Arial app. Okay, you can access that. I can show you in this book only the whole process, how you can install and how you can use the Oxford Arial app is given here. And Ma'am Janki also have briefed you about that in the echoes session. Fine. So, and in your book also it's given. So now children, page number 5, the course book structure is also given. Fine. It means it's a chapter structure also, you can say. Like the chapter starts always with a pre-reading starter, the starter activity. Yes. Then the prose passage followed by the glossary. Glossary are the new words. Fine. Then vocabulary exercises. Then 5th is grammar section. Okay. Then listening activities are there. Fine. So it's the course book structure. And in the last, see, the 10th point, it's given art corner. See what is written here? Special pages dedicated to art integrated learning that have been designed to make education an active, experiential and joyful process. Yes? Okay. Now, see here what I was talking about. Page number 6. Here you can see. Page number 6. See this one, this portion. Oxford Arial. Oxford Arial is a magical app that makes your textbook comes alive in the form of audio, video, yes, and interesting slides. Now how you have to download it, how you can install it, and how you can use it in your phone. Yes, everything is given here. Simply you have to go to the Play Store, write down Oxford Arial. Yes, the app will come, install it. In a few minutes, it will be installed in your phone. You can just click it, choose your book. You like your book, grade 7, new pathways. Fine. And wherever these icons were given, if you can scan that icon from the phone, yes, it becomes working. Now children, see this one, page number 7. Yes, all the contents. Your book is divided in 6 units and each unit has what? 2 prose and 1 verse. Okay, 6 units. Each unit has 2 prose and 1 verse. Now, see here, page number 8 and 9 are the detailed contents. See, units are given and the detailed things are given here. Reading, vocabulary, grammar, study skills. Like what is given in your chapter, you can have access from these pages also. So this is a brief introduction about your book, the revised edition of New Pathways, children. See children, this is the course book for grade 6. Now open chapter 1. Chapter 1 starts from page number 11. See here. Here starts unit 1, section 1. As we have already discussed that in each unit you will be having 2 prose and 1 verse. So this is unit 1. The name of unit 1 is Growing Up. And section 1, the name of this section is How Daddy Played Ping Pong. Now what is ping pong? Ping pong is another term we can use for table tennis. Okay children? So this is given on page number 11. Now before starting with the chapter, I want to draw your attention to see this icon. Just after the title of this section, this icon is given. We have just discussed about the meaning of that icon. What it shows, it means the animation of this chapter of this text is available at Oxford Arial. Fine children. And you can see just from the first line where the text starts, here also the icon is given for the voiceover, for the audio. The audio icon is given. It means the voiceover of this text is also given at Oxford Arial. So you are able to listen the voiceover, and please do that. It will improve your pronunciation also. You will not do any pronunciation error. And also I suggest you to go through the animation part. Now children, see downside at the left corner in the yellow box, you can see the glossary. You can see the new words with their meanings. Okay. Now what you have to do today is to do the starter activity. It's a pre-reading starter activity, as we are already doing in your previous classes also. We were doing that. Now those who have the book, pay attention to the books. Those who have not, listen to me. What is given here? Starter. Ask your parents, grandparents or any elders in your family to tell you a funny incident from their childhood when they were a child and they got into trouble at home or in school. You have to share this with your class. Okay? See, I have written it here also. Those who do not have the books, please pay attention. See the starter activity. Ask your elders in your family to tell you a funny or tragic incident from their childhood and what was their reaction. So, sit with your elders, with your parents, with your grandparents. Ask them. Believe me, they'll be glad to share that incidents with you about their life. Yes, which they have gone through. Any incident, any funny incident, any situation then when they got into trouble, how they handled it, what was their reaction at that time. Fine, children? So you have to do that. Write down in short, click a picture and send it to me through email. So that is your assignment. Now in the next video we can start the chapter, the text explanation. So before that, it is very necessary that you can go through the text once. Okay? So page number 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Fine. So if it's not possible for you, just go through at least 2-3 pages of the story. And like if you can go through the whole story, it's a story, it's a beautiful story. Fine. So just go through the story. It will be more easier for you when I'll explain you in the next video. So that's it for today, children. Do the activity, send it on time and have a nice day.